Before we begin, just pause for a second and take a deep breath. Now just repeat after me or write it somewhere else. This is not just another video I will watch and forget. Today, I am ready to take the control of my time and committing myself to do whatever is mentioned in this video. You all know that most of the लोगों को लगता है कि watching productivity content make them productive. But in reality, productivity content is of no use if you don't apply it in your life. And by doing this affirmation, you have increased your chances of acting upon it by 70%. See, I have seen most of the time management videos out there and taken the best and real stuff that actually work in real life and combined it all into one video. This idea comes straight from Atomic Habits book by James Clear. Now that we have all the activities in one plate, let's see how to manage each and every life. Firstly, see the first quadrant. It shows important as well as urgent. Just tell me कि तुमने deadline से एक रात पहले कितनी बार assignments बनाए हैं. Some people looks like they are living 3 lives in one, and others barely survive a day. In this video, we are going to see the whole time management system into 4 parts. First, why we actually waste our time. Second, the psychology behind procrastination. Third, the 5-step process to control your day. And finally, fourth, the real gems of time management. Stick around the last section because it is the actual game changer. Now let's start with the section 1. Why exactly we waste our time? See, इस world में सबके पास सिर्फ 24 hours ही होते हैं, including Elon Musk, a street vendor, you and me. But why does this happen that some people looks like they are living 3 lives in one and others barely survive a day? The biggest reason behind this is we don't feel the time. आपने games में वो red bar देखा होगा which shows कि इतना time left है, you have to complete this game in this time frame. But in real life, we don't have that red bar on our head. That's why you keep on saying कि I will do it tomorrow. And tomorrow feels infinite until it becomes today. So this is the reason why you are wasting your time again and again. Another reason behind this is lack of urgency. Just tell me कि तुमने deadline से एक रात पहले कितनी बार assignments बनाए हैं. You become super focused and you complete that assignment anyhow at that night. But why? Because there was an urgency. There was something to lose. It may be your grades, your job, your position, etc. That's why you completed that task. But the problem is that most of the tasks like exercise, learning new skill or reading, they do not have any kind of urgency. You think that I will complete it tomorrow, I will complete it later. This is the problem why you don't start these things. Now finally the blame game comes into the show. Due to no deadlines and no urgency, आपका काम complete नहीं हो पाता and you start to blame the circumstance. In which you say कि मेरे पास time नहीं था, I was not feeling motivated, I was doing something else, that's why मैंने ये task नहीं किया. But when you analyze closely, you had the time, but you was not managing it consciously. Now when we are aware about the problem, let's see some psychological tricks to convert procrastination into productiveness. Number 1, the expectation theory. According to expectation theory, आपके mind को एक instant reward की जरूरत होती है for doing anything. For example, if I say to you, scroll your phone for 5 minutes and you will feel instantly relaxed. So what will your mind say? That let's do it. But if I say to you that don't scroll your phone for a month, you will be productive and focused like never before. Your mind will definitely say that maybe we will do it later. But why is it so? Because the instant reward is more satisfactory for your mind. That's why the long-term results and long-term goals die quickly. You can use this to your advantage. Just convert your big goal into small milestones so that whenever you complete small milestone, you feel satisfied and you don't feel burdened about the goal. For example, rather than saying I will write a whole book, just say that I will write 200 words today. Number 2, loss aversion. According to psychology, we hate losing something more than winning something. So we can use it to cut down our procrastination. Let's see an example. How can we use it? So if you are doing a task, you have to create a small loss for that task. For example, you have to go to your mother and tell her that if I don't complete this task, I will hand my phone to you. And you have to keep it until I complete that task. In this way, you can create small losses for your tasks and you can complete those tasks very easily. The next point is identity shift. This idea comes straight from Atomic Habits book by James Clear. In this book, he has told very clearly कि अगर आपको एक नई habit बनानी है by beating your procrastination, you have to accept that thing into your identity. Now let's see how can you do that. He has given a very nice example in this book, which is कि अगर आपको smoking quit करनी है, then don't say that I want to quit smoking. Say that I am not a smoker. It means you have to accept that thing into your identity. Now let's see how can you use it in time management. Just start to see yourself as a person who respects time. अपनी एक ऐसी identity बनाओ that if I start something, I will complete it anyhow, and then see your body will get aligned to that kind of personality. Now that we have unpacked the psychology of procrastination, it is the point where the real magic begins. मैं आपको एक 5-step process दूंगी with the help of which you can rebuild your time management system. So go and take a pen and notebook so that you can write down each and everything. And don't think कि मैं सब कुछ mind में रख लूंगा because you had taken the affirmation that you will be applying each and everything from this video in your real life. Step number 1, measure before you manage. If I ask you that how much time do you waste every day? Maybe you will guess, but guessing is not knowing. And I want you to know each and every activity that you perform each day in every hour. So just mention the 7th day from today in your notebook and write down that this whole week you have to analyze your activities that you perform in each hour of your day. You can use your phone screen time report and a notebook to note down everything. And make sure to be true to yourself. Note down each and every activity that you perform. Maybe 4 hours of scrolling, 2 hours of random conversation, and everything. On the 7th day, you will realize that there was no lack of time and there was a hidden time that you were wasting consciously. The second step is prioritize what actually matters. So the problem is कि हम अपने time and energy को ऐसी चीज़ों में ज़्यादा devote कर देते हैं where it is not even needed. So in this step we will fix this and we will devote our time and energy to the things which are important for us. So for this we will do a quick exercise. Just grab your notebook and make a 2x2 grid in it. Now just mention the columns as urgent and not urgent. Now mention the rows as important and not important. This is your Eisenhower's matrix, which will show you that what things are to be done right now, what things are to be scheduled for later, what things are to be delegated to some other people, and what things are to be deleted from your cart. Before we move ahead, if you find any part of this video valuable, just don't forget to subscribe our channel because it takes a lot of thoughts and research to create such type of content. A small gesture from your side will be very motivating for us to create more such content. Now, one by one, we will fill these quadrants with the activities that you perform each day in your life. Firstly, see the first quadrant. It shows important as well as urgent work, which means the work which has an urgent deadline, and it is also important for your life, which means it also improves your life in a way. Now see the second quadrant, which shows important but not urgent things, which means the things which will make a change in long term. So they do not have an instant deadline, but they will make a difference in long term. For example, exercising, reading books, etc. Now just see the third quadrant, which shows urgent but not important things. Like the things which are to be done right now, but they don't make any difference in your life and don't improve you in any way. Now comes the fourth quadrant, which contains not urgent and not important things, which means your distractions. All the things that distract you the whole day will come in this quadrant. Now that we have all the activities in one plate, let's see how to manage each and every activity. Firstly, see the first quadrant, important plus urgent task. You have to complete that task right now without even thinking anything. Don't schedule it for later, just do it right now. Now see the second quadrant, which is important but not urgent. So schedule these tasks for later. You have to complete these tasks because these are important, but you can schedule them for later. Now see the third quadrant, which shows not important but urgent tasks. You have to complete these tasks, but it doesn't make any change in your life. So you can delegate these tasks to some other person so that you can save your time. Now see the fourth quadrant, which shows not important and not urgent tasks, which means your distractions. So try to drop all of these. The real problem is that most of the people out there live their whole life in quadrant 3 and quadrant 4, and then they think कि मैं अपने time को manage नहीं कर पाता. But the real issue is that you have to focus on quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. The third step is structure your day. This step talks about the planning of your day because if you don't plan it for yourself, the world will plan it for you. In this step, I will be providing you 3 techniques which will help you in structuring your whole day. So the first technique is time blocking. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस टेक्निक आपको अपने पूरे डे को कुछ टाइम ब्लॉक्स में डिवाइड कर देना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप अपना एक टाइम ब्लॉक बना लो लाइक फ्रॉम 9 AM to 12 PM. मेरे को सिर्फ पढ़ाई पे फोकस करना है. एंड इन दैट टाइम ब्लॉक यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक अबाउट अदर गोल्स. यू जस्ट हैव टू फोकस ऑन स्टडीज. यू हैव टू कंप्लीट योर होल स्टडीज इन दैट टाइम ब्लॉक. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ दिस टेक्निक इज you also have to block a separate time for your distractions. It may be scrolling your phone, watching TV, binge watching Netflix, etc. because it will help you in focusing your goal more. The next technique is Pomodoro. According to this technique, you have to work for 25 minutes and take a 5-minute rest. Then, after 4 rounds of this process, you can take a longer break. This will help you in structuring your whole timetable. The next technique is Parkinson's law. According to this law, your effectiveness of completing a task depends on the time limit that you provide for that task. For example, अगर आपको किसी काम के लिए shorter deadline मिले, you will complete that task anyhow in that deadline. But if for the same task you get a longer deadline, आप उसी काम को करने में longer time लेने लग जाओगे. So whenever you create your timetable, make sure that अगर किसी चीज़ को करने में आपको 1 hour का time लगता है, you have to allot 45 minutes to complete that task because your mind will get a pressure of completing that task as soon as possible. The next step is distraction defense. हम सबको पता है कि हम डिस्ट्रैक्शंस को पूरी तरीके से रिमूव तो नहीं कर सकते, बट वी कैन कट डाउन देम बाय यूजिंग डिफरेंट मेथड्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, आप एक स्मॉल नोटबुक बना सकते हो जिसमें व्हेनेवर यू थिंक अबाउट अ डिस्ट्रैक्शन, लाइक इफ यू आर स्टडिंग एंड सडनली इंस्टाग्राम कम्स इनटू योर माइंड, जस्ट राइट डाउन इंस्टाग्राम इन दैट नोटबुक. आपको अपने डिस्ट्रैक्शंस को नोट करते जाना है. यू हैव टू मेक दिस अ हैबिट कि मैं जब भी एक डिस्ट्रैक्शन मेरे मन में आएगा, आई विल राइट इट डाउन एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग माई वर्क अगेन. This will become your habit and you will cut down distractions a lot. So you can try this. The step number 5 is creating a deep work mode. आपको अपने डे में एक ऐसा 1 आवर निकालना है विच विल बी योर गोल्डन आवर। उस आवर के अंदर आपको डीप वर्क मोड में जाना है एंड यू हैव टू ओनली एंड ओनली वर्क। आपको किसी भी डिस्ट्रैक्शन को हाथ नहीं लगाना है। अभी के अभी अपनी नोटबुक के अंदर एक ऐसा 1 आवर लिखो विच विल बी योर गोल्डन आवर फॉर नेक्स्ट 3 months। Now that we have seen the 5-step process of time management, let's jump into the real gems of time management, which are the quick hacks which can improve your time management game drastically. Number 1, the 2-minute rule. If any task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, reply, clean, decide and do it now, because the time that it takes to remember that task is more than it takes to complete it. Number 2, master the week, not the day. लोगों को क्या लगता है कि मैं एक ही दिन में सारी स्किल्स सीख लूँ, सब कुछ सीख लूँ, बट इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल। दैट्स व्हाई दे फेल ईच एंड एवरी डे। आपको अपने डे को मास्टर करने की जगह अपने वीक को मास्टर करना है। क्रिएट अ स्मॉल गोल फॉर योर होल वीक। देयर आर 52 वीक्स इन अ ईयर। आप अगर हर वीक एक नई चीज़ को अपनी लाइफ में ऐड करते जाओगे, यू विल हैव अ बंच ऑफ 52 न्यू स्किल्स इन अ ईयर। नंबर 3, ईट दैट फ्रॉग। देयर इज अ वेरी फेमस लाइन बाय ब्रेन ट्रेसी, which is, if you have to eat a frog, eat it first thing in the morning. And the frog means the hardest thing. अगर आपको सबसे हार्डेस्ट काम करना है, do it the first thing in that day. आपको सबसे पहले उस हार्डेस्ट काम को कंप्लीट कर लेना है, so that you don't have that burden in your head the whole day. Number 4, the temporal landmark technique. According to psychology, our mind waits for the new phase to begin in order to start a new skill. For example, हम वेट करते हैं कि कब न्यू ईयर आएगा या फिर बर्थडेज आएंगे, और इवन मंडे. We wait for these days to start a new thing. But why? Because we see these things as a temporal landmark. So we can use this to our advantage. We have to create a temporal landmark in our day. For example, if you are drink tea daily, like in the evening you drink tea, you have to create that tea as a temporal landmark. आपको अपने माइंड को बताना है कि after drinking this tea, a new phase started. Like if you have wasted the whole day, आपने मॉर्निंग पूरी वेस्ट कर दी, but after drinking that tea, you have to restart your work. You have to tell that to your mind that it is the temporal landmark for me. This was all for this video, and now you are fully ready to take control of your time. So say it again with me. I control my time, I act, and I don't delay. Comment down this below because it is the first action that will begin your transformation journey. If you liked this video, please hit the red button below and subscribe to our channel for more such content.